no mu kikwekwete cyakozwe polisi kwatanise n'amahege yanga ga UPDF umukiri yatetesera umwanya gutari kugibwa nyekero uguri mu rembo rwa Hoima banyuma yo kwokebwa kwa koti ya Hoima Chief Magistrate Court mu rembo ndorumwe polisi kwatanise n'amahe ikatandikaho muhigo muyakwatira abantu 20 nababarkweshanisa nkaba urigira hamgamzi wa polisi umtange cha Albert Superintendent of Police Julius Alana Kiza ebikwekwete bikatandikaho bwanyuma yo henda biragira kurengesereza murembo rwa Hoima utiriho n'abantu kumana betera umuranga abo bushimo burengesereze umutange
yatete Sanisiro then Central Division in Hoima City, and when this operation was planned on Friday, a total of 47 suspects were arrested. And as you are aware, there has been public outcry on how the people are being stolen, their property being stolen, house breakings, burger snatching, phone snatchings, and especially in the areas of the Kiriate.
Muringo ngogume Superintendent of Police Hakiza yashobora ku polisi irikuza kwatanisa n'abebembezi ba seruzi kureba ngo bashorora bhenda biragiru Abantu abatine mushango muri aba bakwatserwe yayongera yashobora ngo bamumbantu abakwatserwe bashoboreye kuba bintu bejumbira mu kwiba amasimu g'abantu ari kugira ngo kanda abandi bayija kutwara umukuti.
And of course, when we come out with such a case of sweeping, cleaning our city suburbs, at times there are those who are innocent, but with the help of area local leaders, they are identifying those who are innocent, those they feel they are innocent. So those ones will be screened out, and but the majority of these others that were arrested will be arraigned to courts because they are known, and some of them have confessed having snatched people's phones and bags. So
Kiza yayongera yashobora ngo biro bikuru kubikubana birira hehi ubuhenda biragira bweyonzera gweki ryo gemeserize polisi amwe n'amahege yihangaga UPDF okwimukiramu okwihabhenda biragira umbantu bataka baherizeho.
Year is ending when we are coming to festival season. A lot of criminal elements normally occur, especially in the slum areas of the cities. You are all aware that when we are coming to festival season, you find people breaking into houses, breaking into shops, and these other organized crime.
Bamumbantu aba bakwatsirwe batekatekwa kuba barubamo abantu abari kutera abantu emitehimbanye kiro ngo kwakiza ari kushobora.
We had an operation where a number of suspects were arrested. So we believe upon interrogation, this could be some of the suspects who have been hitting our people with iron bars.
Bibikiriyaho SSP Hakiza yashobora kurembo rwa Hoima mena district ya Kiryandongo zuzuru kukiza yo kwende biragira ukira munonga mbwire we biro bikuru atiyo nuko kwiga polisi iri kuzakorekera kubasika cyona kurebekangu yakoma imbura cyanezi zubure kuraza abantu barebo mbiro bikuru.
But Hoima in the areas of Kiriate, Bujumbura, you saw the opium. I'll share with them the opium recovered with these people. It has happened in Hoima. It's in Hoima. So Hoima is ready, but of course there are other districts where the highly populated town councils like Gweyare and Kiriando. So but since that Gweyare has now, since the day's operation, Gweyare has now at least calmed down the situation.
Ati nko kutera bembezi bebyango muranga ukwatanisa na polisi umkurwaniso buhenda biragiro umbyanga byabo bakoraga gasha kwa God asaba aba Sky TV agenshonga umurembo rwa Hoima.